Kini sendiri di sini.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hai guys, hai teman-teman, hai pemirsa semua. Bagaimana kabarnya? Sehat kan? Oke. Berjumpa lagi di channel TV Pendidikan, channel kesayangan kita semua. Yes. Hai guys, masih inget gak sama aku? Bagi yang belum kenal, namaku GUSEYNOVA, biasa dipanggil Nova. Makasih. Teman-teman, kali ini kita akan belajar menggambar di komputer. Saya akan praktek menggambar di Microsoft Paint. Bagaimana? Teman-teman sudah paham belum apa itu Microsoft Paint? Nah, bagi yang belum tahu, Microsoft Paint adalah aplikasi pengolah gambar bawaan dari Windows. Nah, teman-teman, kali ini saya akan mempraktek menggambar karakter kartun Gary. Teman-teman pasti tahu kan Gary itu siapa? Yang siput itu loh, peliharaannya SpongeBob. Yuk teman-teman, langsung aja kita praktek menggambar di Microsoft Paint. Tapi sebelum itu, teman-teman jangan lupa dukung channel TV Pendidikan ya. Oke teman-teman, aku kasih tahu ya caranya. Di bawah video ini ada tombol subscribe. Jangan lupa diklik ya tombol subscribe-nya dan juga klik lonceng notifikasinya. Oke teman-teman, aku hitung 1 sampai 5 ya. Kalian klik tombol subscribe-nya. 1 2 3 4 5. Terima kasih sudah subscribe. Oke, yuk teman-teman, langsung aja kita praktek ya. Check it out.
Kau di sana.
Yeah, we ain't sleeping at all, yeah. I'm seeing stars, yeah. Gave me your number, but I never called. I got too faded off the way. Said your name, but I forget. Now you lying in my bed, and I'm just stuck at 1% in my hand. Ashes on my pants. A message from my bank. They said I maxed that bitch again. Yeah, that's like 45 cents. We should be good. Baby, take my hand, you never know. Think of all the places we can go. They've been playing games with you. You don't wanna say what you think is so much pain in you. Let that shit go, ayy. Tell me what's on your mind and bitch, you keep it real. I'm sliding through the now, you know the deal. You know, I know. My heart is hella cold. I'm seeing stars, yeah. Gave me your number, but I never called. I got too faded off the way. Said your name, but I forget. Now you lying in my bed, and I'm just stuck at 1%. I just had to let the beat right, living my life one day at a time, and I gotta aim high, cause you never know if you gon' ever fall down. I never call out, I gotta work, I gotta get it, I don't fall down, no. You gotta go, I gotta go too. Just don't ask me everything I go through. I just want you acting like the old you. So listen to me baby when I told you that we ain't sleeping at all. No. Yeah, we ain't sleeping at all, yeah. I'm seeing stars, yeah. Gave me your number, but I never called. I got too faded off the way. Said your name, but I forget. Now you lying in my bed, and I'm just stuck at 1% in my hand. Ashes on my pants. A message from my bank. They said I maxed that bitch again.
Over the edge, feel like I'm floating through the air. The pain I felt is paid for, all is said and done. Oh, I am restricted, fixed upon the web. that keeps us. I'm here and I'm feeling fearless. Exaggerated, that's what you assume. The story's over now, I must conclude. I am conflicted, watching where I step still, hanging in the balance, not the life I want to live. I want to take it all, standing tall, fear outweighed the person you are. Oh, break out, I've got to see. Spent all my life holding all of it closely. I played it innocent, a feel of discontent. I'm finally facing it all, fearless.
I'm on my own, broken and alone. I feel the rain crashing down all around this empty town. I'm searching for the lost and found, but you don't care, you're unaware. Keep moving like the scars aren't even there.
Nah, gimana teman-teman? Mudah kan menggambar di Microsoft Paint? Aku yakin kalian pasti bisa kok. Nah teman-teman, jangan lupa dicoba di rumah ya. Mudah kok, kalian pasti bisa. Nah, aku akhiri ya video praktek kali ini. Semoga bermanfaat dan menambah ilmu pengetahuan. Oh iya teman-teman, jangan lupa ya like, subscribe, komen, dan share ke teman-teman. Satu like dari kalian sangat berharga bagi kami. Tunggu video kita selanjutnya ya teman-teman. Terima kasih. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Dadah. Muah.